Every CRM I've ever set up has died the exact same way. Nobody wants to stop what they're doing and log their emails into some separate tab. So the whole thing goes stale in about a week. And then you're paying for a system that's basically just lying to you about what deals you actually have. So I want to show you one CRM that I found that doesn't die like that because it never actually asks you to leave your email. It isn't something that's just connected to your inbox, it actually lives inside of it, which is exactly the thing that should make you feel suspicious. A CRM small enough to live inside of an email tab, but powerful enough to run your business on, because those two things don't normally go together. So this CRM actually lives in your Gmail. It's a CRM called Streak, and they're partnering with me on this video. I will link down below in the description if you are interested. So here's what Streak is. You install it from the Chrome web store, and instead of opening it on a whole new app, it shows up right inside of Gmail. So here's the distinction that I want to make with Streak. So most CRMs connect to Gmail, like they reach in and they grab a copy of your emails and they take it somewhere else. But Streak is actually built in Gmail. So it's the inbox that you already use, and it has the CRM built right into it. It's all integrated across the rest of the Google Workspace. So your docs, your sheets, your calendars, your forms, they're all part of the same picture instead of living somewhere else that you have to go babysit. Let's go back to why normally CRMs die, which is the manual logging. That's the part where Streak actually solves. So Streak's AI reads the emails already sitting in your inbox and fills the CRM in for you. So they call it AI Autofill, and you set up columns you describe in plain language. So things like, what's the next step for this deal, or what budget did they mention? And the AI fills in those boxes with the actual email thread information. Separately, Streak has what they call magic columns, which are a little bit different than AI autofill. So magic columns aren't AI at all. They're actually auto log activity metadata. So instead of just capturing information that is in an email, they actually auto log activity metadata, like the last time someone edited a box, the last time your email was viewed, when a deal stage changed. They update it in real time automatically, so it keeps track of all of your contacts directly, which is really useful for building save views to surface stale boxes or any time that you want to filter on what's been touched recently. And the column for what's next actually fills in itself, and you can take it a step further with automation. So the autofills can trigger on its own when a deal moves into a new stage or when someone replies to one of your mail mergers, which means that the pipeline is updating itself in the background and you just work on your inbox like normal. Then there's two more AI pieces that I want to highlight. There's AI summaries. So if I've been off of a deal for a month, let's say, I don't have to scroll the whole thread to know what the summary is. I get a summary that catches me up in just a couple seconds. And there's an AI Q&A. So I can ask questions about the deal, like what did we agree on with this client? And it answers it directly from the email history. So that's the real part. That means that the CRM actually stays up to date because keeping it current is just the same action as reading your email. But the same AI quietly does something bigger once it's not just in your inbox, it's reading your whole team. So up till now, I've been talking about your own inbox, but Streak really does start to pay off when you bring in your team. So with things like shared pipelines, I can open a deal and see the emails that a teammate has sent and received on that specific deal. And I can see it all right inside of that deal, even if I was never CC'd in that specific transaction. And I can reply to that email thread without anyone having to forward it to me or putting me on a quick question kind of email. It's all there sitting within the deal. So when you layer that on top of the AI that we just talked about, it's not only summarizing, answering your emails, it's working across your whole team emails in an interaction history. So when you ask what's going on with an account, it can actually take that information and answer it based on what everyone else is saying on top of it, not just your slice of the pie. The other thing that I found is that it's flexible and quick to spin up. So if a team has a lot going on and just needs to share visibility on where things stand, you can stand up a pipeline for that pretty quick. And everyone's looking at the same picture instead of chasing each other for updates. I want to be fair about where Streak maybe isn't the right fit for some people because an inbox CRM question cuts both ways. So the big platforms like Salesforce and HubSpot do more than Streak at the enterprise end, and that's real. If you need heavy sales forecasting, deeply custom reporting dashboards, territory and quota management, or layers of admin permissions and approval workflows across a big organization, then those tools are more built for you. So Streak is not trying to solve that. They're trying to be more lean and more bringing your solutions directly to your team. But the most powerful CRM in the world doesn't help you if your team isn't actually updating it. And most teams won't because it's a chore that lives outside of their already existing workflow. So Streak's whole advantage is that they already are in the inbox, so that updating just kind of happens on its own. And like I said, it's flexible and fast to spin up. So for a team that just needs shared visibility on where things are without big project setups, that's what the trade I would make. So let's talk about who this is not for. If your team doesn't live in Gmail, obviously this is not the right tool for you. Streak is built around Google Workspace. So if your company runs on Outlook on Microsoft, this isn't going to work for you. But if you're in Gmail all day, this is the kind of obvious pick. And one thing that I like is it doesn't have to be sales necessarily. So the AI can spin up a pipeline for almost anything. So I've seen companies that have run hiring through it, partnerships through it, client works, even creator and brand deals, all with that same shared visibility. On pricing, there's a free trial, so you can actually test it on your own inbox before you commit to anything. So you can try it on a couple deals and see if you like it, see if it sticks. Let's go back to the question that I asked earlier. Is a CRM that actually lives inside Gmail actually powerful enough to run on? A Salesforce example will out-feature it every single day of the week. And if you need that, then you already are on it. But the most powerful CRM is worthless if it's lying to you and doesn't have updated information. And the one that exists inside your mailbox is one that can get updated on a regular basis because the work and the CRM are finally in the same place. If you're interested in trying out Streak, I will link to it below, or you can look it up on the Chrome Web Store. They have that there as well. And you can start your 14-day free trial to test it out for yourself and see how it works. And I want to hear from you. Let me know in the comments, what are your biggest frustrations with the CRM? And if it's data entry and you're with me on that, let me know. And with that, I will see you on the next one.